Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and a late night behind the scenes update about the workshop. The whole team is beyond exhausted. We've been working so hard finishing all the watches, but there's so much going on behind the scenes. I thought I'd give you an update. First things first. Yesterday we put in a new floor. It looks so much nicer. I'll show you a before picture in a moment. When you come in, the whole work, I think it transforms the workshop. Really give the warmth and the nostalgia we are looking for. There, all the stuff, the books, all the lathes. And what else? Well, working very hard on watches, but so much going on. The company car we all use for transporting stuff broke down, so we had to find a new one. Find a 20-year-old Rover. Streetwise, I just love the brand Rover. Technically not the best, it's completely irrational, but I just happen to love Rover. So this is the workshop. Front desk. Tomorrow there is a jeweler magazine coming here for an interview. Next week another magazine, but I'm not sure which one, but Juriaan did the communication. And we are talking with two documentary makers about filming well, the company, ourselves, and because there's so much interest in well, vintage watches, watchmaking, the artisanal side, all stuff like that, durability. Cheers everybody. I had 2 coffee ready just for the video. But we are watchmakers, so the team, we are discussing, do we really want that kind of attention? It is really flattering, but well, we are watchmakers. We have at least a year work. We are working with a waiting list now, so we don't have too much value in the safe, and people don't have to wait too long. But yeah, really flattering, but we're not sure if we are really want that kind of attention. The only thing I think it's a real bonus is to make the profession of watchmaking and the artisanal side of watchmaking more known, and give it a bit more information for the new generation of watchmakers to stand up. And with new generation, it is not age related. You can be 30, 40, 50 and start the profession. So that is the new generation of watchmakers. So that's the bonus and the plus side of the documentary or the series. It's a Dutch TV, a national TV thingy. We'll see. I made a before picture, and I think it looks a bit like this. And I'm going to try to put in there somewhere a picture of the before. And if there wasn't a picture, I couldn't manage. So lovely nostalgic look with the new floor. And you probably know by now what the workshop looks like. Here during the day, so busy, and well, again, trying to finish all the watches. For this machine, the comparator, profile projector or comparator, we are looking for a 20-time magnification, yeah, well, how you call it, lens. So that would be nice. We have the 10 and the 50 magnification, but the 20 would be perfect, because then we could one-on-one do the profile projecting there for making the parts. And here's nothing changed. Of course, our motto, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. And here nothing changed. The biggest vernier gauge ever made. And there all the machines. Well, you've seen them before, especially Fat Bertha over there, our pride and joy. And there the polishing there. So that's it. Really tired. The whole team is working really hard. But well, we're watchmakers, so what's the problem with that? Keep you posted on the magazines and the documentary making, or maybe even a TV series. Yeah, again, see how it goes. Just a quick late night update of our workshop, and I really would like to hear your comments of what you think it looks like this, and maybe you have suggestions of maybe things we can change, things we can improve, stuff like that. I read every single comment, so please let me know. All of you, enjoy your evening. Hey, see ya. Bye bye.